Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Just been shopping in Yate with my wife, daughter and grandchildren. They are still shopping. I picked this up in a charity shop for £2.45. A CX10 4-channel little quad. No idea if it works. Haven't taken it out the box yet. Made in China. It is a Cheerson, and Cheerson are a good brand. 2.4 gigahertz. So the question is, will it work? Well, I suppose the other question is, can I get it out of the box with one hand, or have I got to put the phone down? Because I'm doing this with my mobile phone. SKU 138445 Mode 1 Blue Pack. Mode 1. Oh, that might be a problem. Come on, out of the box. Oh, they're all back now. I can't do any more looking at it. We'll have to leave it for now. Sitting in the car behind me. But I've taken it out of the box anyway. Wonder if it's got any charge in it. On. No flashing lights. So I should think it's flat. How about this one? On. I've got lights there. No, I would think that that one's flat. Can we charge it from the controller, or have we got to charge it separately? Looks like we've got to plug it into the USB. So we're not going to fly it for the next few minutes. I should be able to plug it into my USB down there and charge it up. So we might do that. Then we might be able to try it out later. We're at the skate park. Oh, we've got dust on the lens. We're at the skate park, and I've come up here, up the lane, to try and give this a little try. I've no idea if I can fly it, because it's mode 1, which is the throttle on the right, which is completely the opposite to what I'm used to. But we'll give it a little try, see what happens. Right, we seem to have power. Yeah, definitely having a problem understanding throttle on the right. Oh dear. Yeah, this is more difficult to control than I expected. My fingers are going in the wrong direction. Right, up. There we go, up. Oh. I don't know what happened there. It's messed up one of the propellers a bit. Okay. This is really weird. It's completely the opposite to what I want to do. I bet that's why it was in the charity shop. It's like flying something in the reverse, because the controls are reversed to the normal way of doing it. That's what's called mode 1 instead of mode 2. Throttle's on the right. So when you want to go forwards, normally you just push that forwards, but instead of that it goes up. And forwards and backwards is on the left. Suppose you want a little go, don't you? Well, don't let it go up high, because if it goes in anywhere here, we'll just completely lose it. We won't be able to find it again. And like I said, throttle is on the right. Oh, hang on. I think it's dead. Yeah. Go away. Yeah, I don't think you're going to get going, mate. That one's already killed the motor on the left. Either that or the battery's already flat. There you go. So it's completely the opposite to what you're expecting. Because all the other ones you would have flown would have been the other way round. It's got a fail safe that when it crashes, you have to switch it off and then back on again. There you go. You have to get it to go away from you, you have to push the left hand one. It's completely weird, isn't it? It's nothing that you're used to, which is probably why it's in a charity shop. I expect somebody bought it, found it was the wrong type for them. I have to do it in the right sequence. Oh, I think it did it that time. Yeah. Give up. Yeah, it's just like trying to relearn everything trying to unlearn and relearn everything you already know. We're out of power now after all that messing around. So, summary. It was worth the £2.45 I paid for it in a charity shop. I wouldn't want to pay any more simply because I can't cope with mode 1 instead of mode 2. Because it's the opposite to everything I'm expecting. Forwards, backwards is up and down. Up and down is forwards and backwards. Left and right is left and right, actually, come to think of it. And that's your, and that turns it. We'll stick it back in the box and have a go at home sometime. Kept us occupied for a few minutes anyway.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.